Let's learn A to Z rhyming words. Rhyming words are the words that have the same sound at the end. A is for arm, that rhymes with farm. B is for bake, that rhymes with cake. C is for cat, that rhymes with mat. D is for dish, that rhymes with fish. E is for eye, that rhymes with pie. F is for frog, that rhymes with dog. G is for goat, that rhymes with float. H is for home, that rhymes with foam. I is for image, that rhymes with village. J is for jam, that rhymes with hump. K is for key, that rhymes with B. L is for light, that rhymes with white. M is for moon, that rhymes with spoon. N is for noise, that rhymes with toys. O is for oar, that rhymes with roar. P is for pen, that rhymes with den. Q is for quilt, that rhymes with spilled. R is for red, that rhymes with head. S is for snake, that rhymes with cake. T is for tin, that rhymes with win. U is for under, that rhymes with thunder. V is for van, that rhymes with pan. W is for wish, that rhymes with fish. X is for xylophone, that rhymes with throne. Y is for you, that rhymes with zoo. Z is for zip, that rhymes with zip. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.